So, andito tayo sa Avida Southfield settings in New Valley. Meron tayong bagong foreclosed vacant lot. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, check natin. So, this is the property. Total lot area is 168 square meters. Katabi niya po yung ginagawang bahay na yan. And this is around 5.6 million or 5,645,000 to be exact. This is actually for bidding. So if interesado po kayo dito, please message us directly. This is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. Frontage natin ito is around 11 meters. And then ang orientation natin, ayan. Yan ang orientation natin. Yan. Elevation natin is 180 meters above sea level. So masyado pong mataas ang lugar na to kaya never pong babahain to. This is below market value already. Nasa 34,000 per square meter siya. If you will buy this from the developer, sa Avida, ang value po nito nasa 40,000 per square meter na po. So again, if you are interested to make an offer or bid, please message us directly. So dito tayo sa clubhouse area ng Avida Southfield settings. Mataas dito. 180 meters above sea level. Kaya malamig din sa area na to. And also, hindi siya babahain dahil sobrang taas na nga eh. Ayan. So, andito yung function area niya. Swimming pool, basketball court, parks and playground, HOA, dito lahat. So, ayun yung swimming pool. And then yung basketball court nandun din. Check natin. And then parks and playground. Dito siya. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda dito. Adult and kiddie pool. May lap pool din tayo. And then dito yung basketball court. Ayan. Infinity pool. Lap pool na siya. And then may kiddie pool na rin. Then function area nila.